In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the chart settings on TradingView to a logarithmic scale. This is an essential step for anyone looking to get a more nuanced view of data trends, especially when dealing with large variances or exponential growth in stock prices or other financial instruments. So let's dive in and make sure you get the most out of your TradingView experience. First, let's start by heading over to the TradingView website. Simply open your browser and type in tradingviewg.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a variety of charting tools that TradingView offers. For this tutorial, we'll primarily focus on adjusting the chart settings. Once you're on TradingView, direct your attention to the top navigation bar and click on the chart option. This is your gateway to all the detailed analysis and insights that you can access. Now, when you've opened the chart of your choice, the next thing to do is locate the settings icon. The settings button is usually represented by a gear icon, so keep an eye out for this symbol somewhere on the chart window. Clicking this will open up a menu with a host of options that allow you to customize and configure how you want your charts to be displayed. After you've opened the settings menu, you'll find several different tabs that address various aspects of your chart configuration. Our focus today is to navigate towards the Scales tab. Within this tab, you'll find the options regarding the display scale of your chart. It's here where you have the chance to switch from the default linear scale to a logarithmic scale. Before making the switch, let's talk a bit about why this change is significant. A linear scale shows each step in value equally, regardless of its actual percentage change. The logarithmic setting, on the other hand, means the scale is constructed in such a way that the same percentage increase or decrease in a stock's price has equal visual distance on the chart. This is incredibly useful for seeing gains and losses in a more normalized way, especially when working with stocks that have experienced immense growth or drops. Now that you understand the benefits, it's time to make the switch. In the Scales tab, look for the option labeled Logarithmic. Simply click on this option to activate it. You'll immediately notice how the chart adjusts, providing a different perspective on the data, allowing for enhanced analysis and understanding. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to adjust your TradingView chart to a logarithmic scale. This small adjustment can significantly alter your perception of data, giving you an edge in financial analysis. Thanks for following along, and be sure to experiment with other settings to tailor your charts to your specific needs. Happy trading!